Hey everybody, Daniel Rosales here with FFL West Coast. I just wanted to come talk about a new tool that is a game changer in the house. So for you agents that are just getting started, or even if you've been writing business for a little bit, if the way I look at it is if I could save any amount of time while I'm in the house, then that's another door I could hit, while I'm out driving around, door knocking or calling another client to get another extra appointment on the next day, whatever that looks like. So the new tool that I'm using in the house to handle all of my underwriting is called insurancetoolkits.com. And the way that this product works is it actually allows you to type in the prescriptions of the client that you're sitting with and be able to find out what the best product for them will actually be. Now, the system, I'll kind of go over it a little bit just so you guys can understand how it works. It has a quoter tool inside that you can actually use to quote the client on different products by entering their date of birth, their height and weight, and even entering if they use a bank account or if it's Direct Express, and it'll pop up all the carriers depending on what you type in. So getting started with when you turn it on when you're in the house, it's real easy, really user friendly. You're just gonna type in the date of birth of the client, the coverage that they're seeking or you're looking to quote them on. And I think the real powerful part about the quote tool that really changed it for me in the house was that I was able to use the quote compare tool, which would give you the three different options for the coverages you're looking for. So normally, for those of you that have wrote business in the house, you know that moment where you want to write three different options out for the client, you have to take a little bit of time to kind of go back and forth with the quoting tools that we have now with just the carriers, whether that be with Americo or Mutual of Omaha or whatever carrier you're choosing. It takes a little bit of time to kind of write those down. So with this product, it's really cutting down a lot of time, being able to see all those three quotes at once and being able to kind of right away have the client pick one that it's best for their budget and for what they're looking to leave behind to their family. Now, there's also a really cool feature on here called drug lookup. You can actually just use the drug lookup part of the tool to where you can type in any medication and it'll automatically tell you what carriers would accept or decline based on that medication. Another part after that is called the health cheat sheet. So the health cheat sheet, so if you run into a client that has Parkinson's or Alzheimer's or whatever they have going on, you're able to type that into the health cheat sheet and it will do the same thing. It'll allow you which carriers will accept or decline them. So guys, really this whole tool is just a game changer for in the house. You definitely want to get it. I think that for any new agent getting started, first thing you're going to think about when you get in the house is what do I write the client? How do I know if they qualify, especially when you got a guy giving you like 10 medications, putting them on the table. It makes it really easy. And what I've found also is by me entering each medication and asking them what it's for, because you're going to notice when you enter a medication like, let's say, metformin, it's going to actually ask what it's for. It's going to say diabetes with complications or diabetes with no complications. So you're actually able to ask the client what they're taking it for. So if it's lisinopril, it won't just pop up as high blood pressure. It'll pop up as congestive heart failure, high blood pressure, or angina, chest pain. And you get to ask the client, okay, what are you taking this for? Is it for this, this, or that? So it really brings that morbidity on the table to where they kind of really start to think about, wow, can I really even qualify for something? And I've seen that power in the house on how it's made them kind of really, really wanting to get the approval while you have them there. So I hope this helps, guys. I think it's a great tool to plug into. For anyone that doesn't have it yet, definitely get it. Share this video to any new agent you have coming on board. This is definitely going to be a big game changer for not only, the underwriting process, but I think just the whole professional look in the house. All right, guys, take care.